Experiencing trouble signing into your Tesco app? You're not alone. Many users encounter login issues related to passwords, captchas, or account locks. Let's tackle password resets first. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link. Tesco now offers streamlined resets via SMS or email, sending a secure token for verification. Make sure your new password meets complexity requirements. At least 12 characters, including special characters. If the password reset link expires, request a new one immediately. For account lockouts, know that after 5 failed login attempts, your account will be locked to protect it from unauthorized access. You can wait 24 hours for an automatic unlock or contact Tesco app support for manual verification. Be prepared to provide identifying information like your club card number. If you're struggling with CAPTCHAs, Tesco now uses Google reCAPTCHA v3, an AI-driven system designed to be less intrusive. Ensure your app is up to date, as older versions might have inaccessible CAPTCHA challenges, especially for visually impaired users. To prevent future login problems, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. This sends a code to your phone or email during login. Also, avoid using shared accounts on multiple devices, as this can trigger account locks. Keep your device software updated and ensure a stable internet connection. As a last resort, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Tesco app, which can resolve underlying software glitches. If problems persist, 24/7 human support is available, though AI chatbots handle many common queries initially.